Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Data from the 2019 fourth quarter Business and Consumer Confidence Survey show that all is not well in the business community. In fact, Managing Director at Market Research Services, Don Anderson, says the figures are a clear indication that businesses are worried about the state of the economy. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
According to the numbers, business confidence is trending down. Managing Director at Market Research Services, Don Anderson, says recent surveys indicated that business confidence was waning, but he notes that those sentiments have worsened.
Over the last two periods, the second quarter 2019, third quarter 2019, business confidence slipped, causing a buzz within the business community. Andre made reference to that. And the fourth quarter reveals that there has been a further slip in business confidence, so that an apparent decline has set in. We can now speak definitively about a decline.
He highlighted that business confidence was down in all areas covered by the survey.
So the 10% points drop overall in business confidence was mirrored in each of the variables that were used to calculate the overall indices. It's a very important factor. It's not that there are some going down and some going up or leveling. All 7 variables fed into that overall decrease because there was a decrease in each of them.
So what's causing business confidence to decline? Mr. Anderson says 2 main factors stood out in the survey.
But businesses have been echoing cries over the last 2 quarters, that is from the middle of 2019, about 2 main factors. One, the devaluation or significant fluctuation of the Jamaican dollar. And secondly, the other factor which is bearing very heavily, as we can all understand, is the high level of crime and violence within the society.
On the other hand, consumer confidence remains high as more persons are optimistic about employment and that their overall living conditions will improve. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Stabroek News is reporting that the NCB Financial Group has sealed a deal for a US dollar loan to Nabi KCL Oil Construction Services in Guyana. The loan is to be used to partially finance the construction of a major landmark facility on the east coast of Demerara. The media outlet says NCB has not disclosed the value of the loan nor the name of the project. Meanwhile, NCB Financial Group has announced a senior management appointment at National Commercial Bank. In a statement to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the financial group disclosed that Raymond Donaldson will join the bank's senior management team on April 1 as General Manager for Corporate and Commercial Banking. Mr. Donaldson will have responsibility for strategy, growth and profitability of the corporate and commercial segment. Currency trading now. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar being sold for $138.97. The Canadian dollar is selling for $108.36. The pound sterling is going for $182.38, while the euro is going for $156.50. The JC Index advanced by 7,718 points today, while the Junior Market Index declined by 8 points. Among the winners were Kingston Wharves, Sygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, G West Corporation, Scotia Group Jamaica and Fosrich. On the losing side were Portland JSX, Radio Jamaica, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Mayberry Investments and Jamaica Producers Group. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Good evening.